this video I am going to tell you how to crop or strengthen photo in the Photoshop to look better composition. So for that you need to import your photo or just click on all photos and select any photo. So for example, I want this photo, and if I want to crop this photo I can just click on crop and I can just crop this photo to any size I want. Okay, I want to crop this photo at this size. I can just easily crop this photo at this size and click on right. Okay, this photo is now cropped. Or if I want to just strengthen this out again, I can just click on crop and strengthen this out. Okay, and also I can do one thing. I can just go on details and sharpen this photo. I can just go on optics and do some other magics with the photo. You can just explore this, and if I go to geometry I can just scale this photo and I can just stretch this photo and do various things. You can just explore these options. You have many options here, so you can just explore these options.